If you love sewing and dream of making perfectly fitted clothes without spending a dime, you've probably heard of freesewing.org, an open-source platform that promises to turn your body measurements into custom sewing patterns absolutely free. Sounds amazing, right? But in a world where free often hides some kind of catch, I decided to dig deeper to see if freesewing.org is really worth your time. The first thing that stands out is its credibility. It's been around since 2016, nearly a decade of operation, which instantly gives it some solid ground compared to short-lived sewing websites that pop up and vanish overnight. The founder, Juice de Coq, is openly listed on the site, sharing his mission and process transparently, which adds a nice personal touch that most platforms lack. The site itself runs completely open source, meaning the code, patterns, and tools are free for anyone to use or modify. That's a big plus for creative minds who love experimenting. On social media, freesewing.org shows decent engagement, especially on Facebook and Instagram, where users share their creations and interact regularly. But when it comes to formal reviews, the story gets a little mixed. There are no Trustpilot or major platform reviews, which might make some users skeptical. However, on Reddit, the community seems genuinely happy. Many praise its accuracy, flexibility, and the freedom it offers to design without commercial limits. Still, the interface might feel overwhelming for beginners, and since it's more of a community-driven project than a polished commercial product, expect a bit of a learning curve. Overall, freesewing.org feels legit. Not a scam, but not a perfect tool either. It's an inspiring platform for those who love creative control and customization, but you'll need some patience and curiosity to get the best out of it.